Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to sort data alphabetically, numerically, and how to use filters in Excel. First, let's sort alphabetically. Select all the products, go to the Data tab. Since my data is in A to Z order, I'll click on Z to A to reverse it. Notice that the other columns adjust automatically with it. Now let's sort numerically. If we want the product prices from lowest to highest, select the price column and click on the A to Z button. This will sort from lowest to highest. To change it back, just click on Z to A. Next, let's see how to sort by multiple columns. Suppose we want to arrange the data first by category, and then by revenue, lowest to highest. Select all the data, go to Sort in the Data tab. In the first level, choose Category, A to Z. Then click Add Level. Choose Revenue, smallest to largest. Now the data is sorted based on both columns. Next, let's learn about filters. Filters are really useful when working with large datasets. Click on Filter in the Data tab. This adds drop-down buttons next to each header. For example, if I only want to see a specific category, I can filter by that category. If I want to see revenue greater than 20,000, click the drop-down next to Revenue. Go to Number Filters, Greater Than, type 20,000, and click OK. I can also filter units sold greater than 100 the same way. If I want to remove all filters and sorting, I'll just click on Clear next to Filter. This resets everything. Finally, I can sort products again from A to Z to bring the data back to its original order. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.